What's going on, guys? Today we are going to properly be sealing up these quarter panels. If you guys missed the last video of the FRS, I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. As you guys can see, the person before me never finished the job, never sealed them, did not close this up at all, which is why I have Coda coming over. Some of you guys might remember him from previous videos. He knows how to weld a lot better than I know how, because we're gonna do a little more cutting and we may have to add some material in certain spots. So he's gonna come over and tack up the quarter panels, get them all welded, and then I'm gonna seam seal them all, get this car ready to actually be driven on the road. I don't know where they got this hardware, but this stuff is rusty for being less than a year old when you put it on. Oh shit. Oh, hopefully the front lip's still good. So my original plan was to cut this up higher and then basically slot these a little bit further and maybe have enough to meet. But I think he cut this side way too short, where I don't even think that's savable. We're gonna have to add in new material, which sucks, but it's doable. It's not the end of the world. But yeah, it's not gonna reach at all. But I kinda wanna cut higher so that way I can fit bigger wheels and maybe go lower. I don't know how wheel fitment is. He had 18s on this and he was pretty much fender to lip, but it looks like he was hitting where there's dents on here. So we have Coda here now, and he's gonna be the one welding up the quarters. Say what's up. Hello. And we actually talked a little bit, and we're going to go through with raising this cut a little higher. I almost didn't want to, but I think it'll just make more sense for once I get wide wheels, and it'll help out in the long run rather than having to go back and potentially redo it.
Hold on. Stop right now. Put masking tape over these. Do we have a fire extinguisher in here?
No, I didn't know. Dude, do you see all the sparks going, like, they're like going from the bottom out? Like, it's literally lighting up the whole inside.
They're going in here.
No, the sparks are shooting this way.
So kids, this is what you need to be conscious of. The little gas canister.
So, Coda had a brilliant idea. It's a little different what I was thinking, but we're basically going to use this sheet of metal and weld it to the flanges, and then weld it to the outer body of the car. Ignore the little oopsie, we're gonna figure that out. It's not shown at all, but I think his way is gonna be the best way. So with the sheet metal welded to the tabs, this is how it should be from the jump, which is longer pieces of the original. And we're just gonna hold them up here, and then you can basically just tack weld them right to the quarter, and it will seal everything up. And then when you're done, you just lay the seam seal over, and you'll, like, nothing ever happened. Day 2 of working on this. We were almost finished, but we have a few more things to finish up. And look at the weather. It is 60 degrees out in February in Ohio. That is unheard of. But I'm enjoying it with the door open, and Coda's gonna be here soon, and we're gonna finish this up. So we got the driver's side pretty much sealed up. This is what I was using, the PL Max Premium. It's a seam seal. It dries hard. I've used this on the Genesis and had very good luck, but I got everything filled, covered up. All I need to do now is mask this side and primer and paint it, and this side will be ready. And as far as the other side, I started on it, cutting it up. We're done welding. So once I'm done cutting and smoothing out the welds, we're gonna seam seal it up also with this. It is by far the prettiest job, but it gets the job done. This side is fully seam sealed, and I'm basically going to have to wait until this dries and try to get any pinholes that might be missing, but this is what it should look like. Obviously some jobs are better than others. I'm not good at using this stuff. It all just wants to smear and stick. After many coats of paint, we are finally finished up. We have it all painted black. It looks very nice compared to what it was before. Let me throw a before and after. Way better of a job. Thank you guys for watching this video. As always, if you guys are new and have not yet subscribed, make sure you guys subscribe. We got a lot of content coming. As you can see, this thing is far from finished. I did go and pick up new wheels for this thing to be rebuilt, so that's gonna be coming soon. We have a lot of interior parts, just a lot of things in general to do. But the main thing, the quarters are finally sealed. Don't gotta worry about stuff getting in them. So hopefully I'll be able to get this car drivable. Not looking good, but at least drivable where it can move out on the street. If you guys have any suggestions on some mods or things I should do to this thing, make sure you guys leave them down below. And as always, stay stancy. I'll see you guys in the next one.